Hey, it's Kerry. Today we are visiting my farm and I'm going to show you my pig collection and tell you lots of interesting pig facts. I love pigs. Can you tell me how many kittens and cats in today's video? Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like pigs and piglets. The Yorkshire Sow. This breed comes from Yorkshire in the UK. They have a light pink coloured skin with vertical ears and a little dished face. They are large and lean. The sows have a heavy milk production for raising their piglets and are very caring mothers. Pigs are omnivores, meaning that they eat both plants and other animals. Something smells good. The Yorkshire female piglet. Litters vary in size from 6 to 12 piglets. She's rather cute. One of my favourite pigs, the Hungarian pig. It's also known as Mangalika or Mangalitsa. It has a thick coat of curly fur or hairy fleece that makes it look much like a sheep. It was originally bred for its lard or fat. With their warm woolly coats, the Hungarian pig can live outdoors all year long. As the pigs age, the fat content of the meat rises. There are 3 main varieties, the only difference being the colour of the fur. This is an old pig, bit of a scary eye there. Pigs don't have sweat glands, so to cool off they roll around in the mud to cool their skin. The layer of dried mud protects their skin from the hot sun. The pig snout is its most important tool for sensing what is around them and for finding food, of course. This is my 3D pig. I rather like this sow. She's a good colour and I'm quite good at putting her together now. A female adult pig is called a sow and the male adult pig is called a boar. Pot-bellied pig is also known as the Chinese or Asian pot-bellied pig. The pot-bellied pig has tough black skin with very little hair, which makes it sensitive to the sun, and in the wild they will wallow in mud to stay cool and protect their skin. They have short erect ears and a short snout for foraging. It also has a sagging underbelly and very loose wrinkled skin. A true pot-bellied pig has a straight tail, the classic sow with piglets. A baby pig or piglet weighs about 1.5 kilograms at birth and will double its weight in just 7 days. Pigs are very clean animals. They keep their toilets far away from their living or eating areas. Even piglets only a few hours old will leave the nest to relieve themselves. I think that's what I like about pigs. They're so clean. A female pig. A female pig that has never had babies is called a gilt, and a female that has given birth is then called a sow. classic pig. This one is a sow. Pigs' feet are called trotters. They have 4 toes on each hoof but only walk on 2 toes per foot. A pig can run a 7-minute mile. There are around 2 billion pigs in the world. The classic piglet. Pigs are highly intelligent and very playful, and they make wonderful pets if you've got the space. The Vietnamese pot-bellied pig is a smaller sized pig that originated in Vietnam and is now found worldwide. They are rather plump and can vary in colour. They have poor vision but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. They like mud holes and water because they can't sweat. The Hampshire Sow. The breed originated in Hampshire in the UK. This is a good-tempered breed and is distinguished by its erect ears and a black body with a whitish band around the middle that covers the front legs as well. They are bred for their meat. The sows make caring mothers. She's sniffing something out there. The Hampshire Piglet. Relative to their body size, pigs have small lungs. The pig is the last of the 12 animals in the Chinese zodiac. It represents happiness, honesty, fortune, and virility in China. Peppa Pig. She's visiting the farm today to play with the animals and to help out. Peppa wants to try milking the cows. Peppa's little brother George has joined Peppa on the farm today. I hope he doesn't cause too much trouble for Peppa. George is hoping to ride a horse today. Lots of different animals on the farm today. See how many you can name. I like the peacock and the Mustang horse family. Remember to tell me how many cats and kittens on the farm today, and if you look carefully now, you might be able to count them quickly. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. Please subscribe and share my videos on any of the social media platforms that you like to visit. Thanks once again.